to meet you. No, I think you got that.
Thank you.
Wow.
Is it finally?
No, I'm not gonna say funny. I was hoping you'd be a monk. Just kidding. Now, I'm going to be invoking the blessings of Tara for this ceremony. The ceremony is short, but it's powerful. It's sweet because it's blessed by Tara, but it also has a lot of meaning. Because this marriage is not about, oh, I'm here to do some Chinese blah, 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 you're married, blah, blah. I explained to you a little bit of the meaning of marriage. I explained to you the meaning of marriage, not to say you don't know, but it's my job as a mom to tell you the meaning of marriage. So, must support each other, must take care of each other, must defend each other, must protect each other, must be faithful, and must always think, why am I marrying this man? Why am I marrying this woman? Why? Remember that. And when you're married, it's not you're married for anything except that person. So that person down, you also go down. That person down, no. This is no marriage. When that person's down, you must also go down. When that person's up, also you go down. This is what marriage is about. It's called support and partnership. When things are down, you cannot just sit there. When have argument, then who doesn't have argument? When have argument, calm down and talk nice. If you don't think and talk nice, one thing, another thing, small thing become big. When small thing become very big, all the love, all the care, all the thing, all the care. So when difficulties come out, they go wrong. Calm down, talk nice. And don't wait. You talk to me first. I don't talk to you. This is why I don't talk. If you don't talk to me, I don't talk to you. If I don't talk to nobody. When anything happens, don't wait for your husband and wife to talk first. Make everything calm. Make everything relax. Then you become wife. And especially if you have children, more important. It's not only you win, she win, he win, she win. No, it's everybody that's winning. Everybody. Okay? We also should use happiness and politics. We also should use free of something in politics. Comments to group, I will pass. Three honorable souls of refuge from my divine. Divine Lord, whose nature is compassion. I bow to you from my heart and soul. Support me, I pray with fullness of compassion. May every member of the three precious souls, especially the venerable mother, compassionate nature, look at me until I reach the point of alignment, letting me conquer quickly before our forces. Again, when we choose someone, we should choose for the right reasons. We should not choose it arbitrarily for the moment or with no thought. We should not choose a partner. We should not choose a partner thinking, if anything goes wrong, goodbye. If everything's not right, goodbye. When we enter a relationship with that kind of thought, with that kind of security, which is wrong, that if anything goes wrong, goodbye, it reflects our nature. What is our nature? We're not in a relationship to keep, we're in a relationship to use. So therefore, what's very important is, before we take on the vows that put on the rings, we must remember why we're doing this. Why we are doing this. What made us join the business? We want to think very strongly and think powerfully in us. Alright? hold this and recite after me. Okay? Hold it. You face each other. Now you talk to each other with the Buddha present. I will be faithful to you.
I will be faithful to you.
I will support you in all difficulties.
I will support you in all difficulties.
I will improve on my weak points for you.
I will improve on my weak points for you.
I will defend you.
I will defend you.
I will respect your beliefs.
I will respect your belief.
I will share what I have with you.
I will share what I have with you.
I make this promise to you.
I make this promise to you.
Please stand. Please stand. Think strongly. The ring is just symbology. Think strongly what I said, I mean it. Just think very strongly. The ring is just symbology. Good. Think strongly what I just said, I will keep my promise. Very good. Now it's your turn. The ring is just symbology, it's a promise. Please repeat after me, Sharon. I will be faithful to you.
I'll be faithful to you.
I will support you in all difficulties.
Support you in all difficulties.
Yes. I will improve on my weak points for you.
I will improve on my weak points for you.
Good. I will defend you.
I will defend you.
I will respect your beliefs.
I will respect your beliefs.
I will share what I have with you.
I will share what I have with you.
I will make this promise to you.
I will make this promise to you.
Good. Now you put the promise on. Now you should think, you two are married. Please bring the candles. As a married couple, the first thing you do is make offerings to the Buddha. So what's the first thing you do together? It's something very good. Immediately you make offerings to the Buddha. Alright? You make offerings to Lama Tsongkhapa, you make offerings to Vajrayana, etc. And then you come back. Make together. So think, now we're married, let's hold hands. Now we're married, we do something good together. We make offerings to the Buddha. Good. Immediately after the couple married, what do they do together? They go to the Buddha together and they pray for blessing for the marriage. Immediately. So the first thing we do as a couple is not eat or run or play or talk. We usually don't talk. So that's why we hold marriage very easy. We want to go out and go out and go out and go out and when the supreme ground is off, one thing at a time. One from right feet at a time. May the Lord's wishes in the night for this morning. May they increase the auspiciousness in the night for this morning. Like the sun rising to the highest of heavens. May the three jewels bless this temple. May the three jewels give them achievements. And may they bring all auspicious